What's up guys, and welcome back to the Station Bakery. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made these two easy and delicious strawberry and peach cobblers. If you want to know how I made it, then stay tuned. Let's start off with our ingredients, and as always, you can find the complete list as well as all of the directions in the description below. To begin our peach cobbler, you want to add all of our spices into our bowl of peaches and then stir. Be sure to stir well to remove any clumped sugar or spices. Let that mixture sit and then preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Add your melted butter into a pan and swish it around. Pour in our peach mixture, and then we're going to top it. Now, here's the secret to this easy cobbler. I used cake scraps. As a baker, we always have cake tops and bits and pieces that are left over from our cakes. So here, I just crumbled them up and placed them on top. It's a great way to reuse those extra scraps that are left over, just like cake pops. You want to chop up some slices of butter to go on top of those. This butter really gives the cake scraps a nice buttery flavor. Then we're gonna go in and sprinkle with some more brown sugar over the top of the crust. And I think all things go well with pecans, so we're gonna sprinkle a few of those on there as well. And now we're just gonna repeat the process for our strawberry cobbler. Here I just use straight up canned strawberry filling from the grocery store. I just think somebody was able to create this great product that was good enough to go in the store, so why recreate the wheel? This is what we're going to use, guys. And there's nothing wrong with it in my book, because there's a time and place for everything, and this is just one of those moments where we're gonna go with the can. So just repeat the process, topping with our cake scraps, adding some butter, and boom, the strawberry cobbler is ready to go in the oven. We've already preheated our oven to 350 degrees, and we're going to set our timer for 25 minutes. Now, you may need to adjust this depending on how your oven works. Oh my goodness, guys, just look at how delicious these cobblers look. We're going to take some melted chocolate, or you can use chocolate ganache, whatever floats your boat. And we're just gonna nicely just swoosh, swoosh, swoosh all over our cobbler. Slide and repeat. And here we have it, guys, our completed, easy, delicious strawberry and peach cobblers. Guys, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, turn on those notifications, and leave me a comment below telling me what you think about this easy, simple, delicious tutorial for these cobblers. Alright guys, go bake up a storm after you hit the subscribe button, okay? Peace.